Leverage the benefits of Shopify POS for Android. As a store owner, you know how important it is to be able to accept payments quickly and securely. With the development of Shopify Point of Sale for Android, this has become even easier. Let's dive into how Shopify POS works on an Android tablet and why you should consider it as your go-to payment system. Use the link below to speak to an expert about moving to Shopify POS. What is Shopify POS? Shopify POS is a mobile point-of-sale system that allows store owners to accept payments from customers directly from an Android device, such as a tablet or phone running the Shopify app. It also allows store owners to manage their inventory, track sales and orders, view customer data, and get insights into their business performance in real time. Benefits of using Shopify POS for Android. The major benefits of using Shopify POS for Android are convenience, flexibility, and scalability. With the help of your Android device, you can take payments anywhere at any time without having to lug around a bulky cash register or laptop computer. You can also customize your checkout process with different themes and features like discounts, taxes, multiple currencies, etc. Finally, with its cloud-based platform, you can easily scale up or down depending on your business needs. What does it take to use Shopify POS on an Android device? To use Shopify POS on an Android device, all you need is an active internet connection and an account with the app installed on your device. After signing up for an account with Shopify, you will be able to sync all your data across devices so that no matter where you are working from or what device you are using, everything will be accessible in one place. You will also need a card reader in order to accept credit cards or debit cards from customers. Note that if you don't have one yet, then some versions of the app may come bundled with one, so make sure to check out all available options before purchasing one separately. Whether you're just starting out in business or looking for ways to streamline existing processes, leveraging the benefits of Shopify POS for Android devices could be just what you need. With its flexibility and scalability along with its ease of use, features it can help enhance customer experience while also providing valuable insights into your business performance in real time. So, what are you waiting for? Get started today by creating an account and downloading the app onto your compatible Android device. Click the link below to speak with an expert about Shopify POS.